I'm often asked, why do you love teaching Think on Your Feet? And while there are many reasons, there are really three that stand out: engagement, fun, and growth. When it comes to engagement, I love the interaction that we're able to have with participants. We really build relationships and are able to customize the learning for each participant, whether it's virtual or in person. There's a personal connection that's built. When it comes to fun, the activities we're doing are fun activities. They're not something that just keeps us being very serious. We're able to take ourselves a little bit more lightly. There is laughter in the room, and this brings an enjoyment to the work that we're doing together and learning the various tools. Finally, and most importantly, it's about growth. People come to the program because they want to grow as communicators. And as a facilitator, being able to see someone grow from when they arrived at the start of the program to how they're communicating at the end of the program, they're surprised. And as a facilitator, it brings me a lot of joy. So really, there's three main things that keep me loving facilitating Think on Your Feet: engagement, fun, and growth.